Hey there children, come along, listen to this happy song. From A to Z, come and see, animals find things joyfully. Sit back, listen, sing along, see how A and N are used along. An antelope ate an apple one day, a bear found a banana along the way, a cat chased a cherry under a tree, a dog dug a date as happy as could be. For a tasty treat, a goat grabbed a grape from a garden vine, a horse had a honeydew, oh so fine. An iguana liked a nice apple too, a jaguar enjoyed a juicy jujube, a koala munched a kiwi so bright, a lion loved a lemon with delight, a monkey munched a mango so sweet, a narwhal nibbled a nutty treat, an owl eyed an olive in the tree, a pig picked a peach happily. Quickly found a quince to eat, a rabbit reached for a raspberry sweet, a snake stripped a strawberry red, a tiger tasted a tamarind spread. An urchin found an undersea snack, a vulture viewed a vanilla pack, a wolf ate a watermelon slice, an x-rayed fish played a xylophone twice. A yak tasted a cup of yogurt so light, a zebra munched a zucchini with delight. Now you know from A to Z how to use A and N correctly. Listen close to what you hear, that's the rule that makes it clear.